Well, under this pile of snow is a 2001 BMW 750iL Sport, actual Sport. Currently under a few inches of snow, but I actually need to move it, and was hoping to work on it today, but that's not going to happen. So I thought I'd do a little cold start. Haven't run it in probably a week. It's been sitting just like this. I finally just got the cluster back in it. I bought it with unknown miles, and because the pixels were out, and it's got 99,860 on it, so that's very cool. So I'm going to fire it up. I got a camera on the exhaust. I'll do a camera in the cabin, so you can we can see how the exhaust sounds, looks, smells, and also get some of that M73 starter sound that we like so much. I'm not even going to brush it off right now. I'm just going to get in there and fire it up just like it is. So here we go. All right, going to try not to fill this thing with snow. Not bad. It's filthy inside. I have not detailed, I have not vacuumed, I have done nothing except, whoops, gloves, sorry, put a cluster in it. I'm not even going to get all the way in it. Here we go. It's got that funky sound in the back. Man, this thing runs good. This one will also get to start and run. This is my 94 530i automatic, recently dented trunk, and it's got 77,000 miles on it. I just lowered it on Koni adjustable shocks with H&R springs. It's in the process of a manual swap. The pedals, hydraulics are installed, the transmission is not, but I have everything. So same thing, let's start it up, see what it does. All right, climbing in. I believe I left it unlocked. Yes. All right, pretty good. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Fan. Here we go. Nice. This thing's a great runner. It's slow, and especially up here at 7,000 feet, it's down, you know, about 20-21% on power. So it's a bit of a slug, but at some point I'd like to 5-speed swap it, probably with the B30, and then someday do a 4.0 and a 6-speed. But this thing gets like 25 miles per gallon, rides great, really clean, and I have all the maintenance history back to 0, so it's a cool car. It's slow, especially up here at 7,000 feet, down about 20-21% on power. We'll go ahead and start this guy up, because I think if I go out today, I'm probably going to need this. Even though we got some sky coming in, I think it's supposed to snow again later, so I will go ahead and see if this guy wants to start up. It's probably locked, that's probably frozen. Oh, okay. We're still working on putting the dash pad in it, all sorts of good stuff. Let's see what she wants to do. Square key. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty good. Oh yeah, the power steering pump is a little unhappy. It's been low on fluid. See if it idles. Yeah, like a champ. pretty good. But wait, there's another one we can do that I totally forgot about. This is my 2000 740i Sport. Started as a pretty nice car with 190 something thousand miles. And then the hood latch failed on the highway and the hood kissed the windshield and totaled the car. So it's got a used hood on it, windshield still smashed. It's had a bunch of other failures since then. It now wears a salvage title. So this thing's basically just gonna get parted out or sold cheap. But it's got a 4.4 liter V8 with a muffler delete, super loud power steering pump whine when it's cold, and also pretty Vanos rattly. So it might even burn a ton of oil when we start it up right now. It might make a ton of noise, but why don't we start it up? Jumping in. Oh, there we go. That felt good. It's got a wheel speed sensor out for the speedometer side, so speedometer, odometer don't work, but let's see if it cranks up. It's probably gonna make a lot of noise. Oh, not bad actually. There it is. Smell some oil, so hopefully burn a little oil for you. I think the car itself actually drives really well, so it's a shame about what happened to it. But it's a pretty whole car, so I guess I really don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it's probably destined to get parted or sold cheap. Make some crazy sounds. Once it's warm, those weird buzzing and whines go away, and then it runs pretty mint. That's a wrap on our snowy cold start morning. So I'm gonna go uncover the E38. Thought I smelled a little bit of fuel up near the engine bay, so that's not great. For another time. And that's it.